Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing money deposited into your account money bag. Without working, without clients, without stress. Sounds unrealistic? But with AI tools, this is becoming a reality for thousands of people right now. In my previous videos, I showed you how to make your first $100 and even scale to $500 per day, but those methods still require your time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build passive income, where you work once and get paid again and again. And the best part? You can do this by targeting a global audience like the United States. United States, where earnings are much higher. Part 1. Understanding passive income. Let's be clear about one thing. Passive income does not mean no work. It means work once, earn multiple times. For example, you create a YouTube video, it keeps earning views. You create a digital product, it keeps selling. Active income equals time for money, passive income equals system for money. And rich people always focus on systems. Part 2. 3 best RE passive income methods. Method 1. YouTube automation. This is one of the most powerful methods right now. You don't need to show your face. You can create a faceless channel using AI tools. Scripts AI, voice AI, video AI. You upload consistently and earn from ads, affiliate links, sponsorships. Once a video starts ranking, it keeps earning passively. Method 2. Digital products. Digital products are one of the best passive income sources. You can create ebooks, Notion templates, online courses. Use AI to create content quickly, then upload on platforms like Gumroad. Now imagine this, you create one product and sell it 100 times, that's passive income. Method 3. Affiliate marketing. You don't even need your own product. Just promote others' products and earn commission. You can create videos, write blogs, post content. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn money with wings. And the best part? It keeps working even when you're offline. Part 3. Step-by-step plan. Step 1. Choose one method. Don't try everything, pick one method and master it. Step 2. Use AI tools. Use AI to save time, increase speed, improve quality. Step 3. Stay consistent. Most people quit too early. Consistency is the real secret. Step 4. Focus on value. Don't just create content. Create content that helps people. Step 5. Scale up. Once you start getting results, create more content or more products. Part 4. Common mistakes. Here's why most people fail. They expect fast results. They try too many things. They stop after 10 to 15 days. They don't improve their content. Passive income takes time. But once it works, it keeps paying. Bonus strategy. If you want higher earnings, always target high-paying audiences like the United States ** United States. Because higher CPM, better clients, more opportunities. Also, always create content in English, so you can reach a global audience. Ending. Passive income is not a shortcut. It's a smart way to build long-term income. Start today, stay consistent, and think big. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to the channel. And in the next video, I'll show you how to build a full AI business from scratch.